Hey, what's up, fam? My name is Brehon, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love to focus on our own financial and personal development. Now, family, I hope you guys have had a phenomenal weekend, and I hope your Monday is off to a great start. Again, when we take a look at the market, we can see that the market is on to a wow start at the beginning of the week. But before I get started, I want to give you guys a word out of a book that I'm currently reading, Unstoppable Confidence: How to Use the Power of NLP to be more dynamic and successful. Empowered people simply have more choices than disempowered people. People who do not allow themselves to find other choices available to them are likely to become disempowered. Always contemplate the number of choices you have in any given situation and do your best to generate more options. Perhaps there is an option you have not thought of that would be ideal. All you need to do now to empower yourself is to think of a solution and then act on it. With greater empowerment comes a truer sense of freedom because you have the liberty to choose from more options. I remember when, a story about Bill Gates. Bill Gates would have these meetings, and in these meetings, he would ask people their opinions. He would state how he felt about a particular problem or a particular project, and most of the people would agree with Bill Gates. Bill Gates would kick everyone out of the meeting, and he will tell them, come back to the meeting when you have new ideas. Come back to the meeting when you have something different than what I have. And so people would come to the meetings and they would share all of their individual ideas. And that gave Bill Gates an opportunity to learn, to listen, and to generate more discussion. Because ultimately, when you have many minds working on one particular subject, you will be more successful than having one mind working on one particular subject. The more brain power at work, the more successful you will be. So always take a look at all the options you have, and ultimately that will help you become more successful and also confident. All right, family. Just very, very quick. It was another wild and wacky day in the market today. The SPY again catapulted to huge gains again today, and we know what happens after huge gains. But I really wanted to bring you guys to this one particular option that I end up purchasing today, and it is let me see here. It is the put option for expiring on November 18th. And so this is let me open up my stuff here. I don't know why it doesn't have it there. This is a November 18th 360 put option. All right. And the reason why I'm looking at this one particularly is the open interest. The open interest is 88,481. There is a lot of money riding on the possibility that the SPY will decrease to 360. All right, so let's take a look here. 88,481 times 100 equals 8,848,100 times current value 9.15 equals. So as of right now, man, you have $80 million riding on this 360 put option. So when I was taking a look at those numbers, I had to jump in. I had to take a gamble, and I'm gonna tell you what. So when I bought this option, I had a sale price at 11. Once I hit $11, I was going to sell and I was going to take profits. But what did it do? It hit 1045. It hit 1045, then it came back down to close at 915. If I was at my computer and I saw that the price was hovering around 1045, I would have immediately sold and took my profits. Every day there are times where we're going to have some moves up in the market and we're going to have some moves down in the market. All right. So let's take a look at the hourly. All right. So when we take a look at the hourly chart, we're going to have some moves up and we are going to have some moves down. So actually today, we opened at 364. We hit a high of 367 within the first hour, and then we began to trade sideways. So we had a lot of sideways trading today after the open. And so what is that telling us, right? What is that telling us? Well, when we go back to the daily chart, remember, we are at the 20 SMA. The last time we hit the 20 SMA, we was met with some resistance. All right. And we came back down. So tomorrow is going to be a very, very crucial day. Will we propel past the 20 SMA, or will we be hit with more rejection, and will we come back down right to the 364 or 363 or 360? Well, ultimately, we're going to have to wait to see how things turn out. But again, family, pay attention to the November 18th 360 put option. There's a lot of money riding on the possibility of the spot reversing from today's highs. Now, that's all I wanted to hit you guys with today. I hope this video added some value to you. Again, hit that like, hit the subscribe button, keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.